Hello, this is my video about Paws For Ability, which is a very great organization that trains service dogs for both veterans and children with disabilities. This is me explaining how I was able to participate in the program and when I started out in my freshman year in college about 3 years ago and where I am now. So to start, I applied to become a sitter as I was living in the dorms and could not have a dog in the dorms at the University of Cincinnati. So I started as a sitter and was able to watch dogs for a few hours at a time, get to handle them a little bit, and hang out with them while their fosters were not able to. And then about a year later, I was able to upgrade to get my own foster, who I still have. His name is Blue Deanie. He's from the Kool-Aid litter. He was born in February of 2020, and I got him just about when the pandemic was starting, so I've had him for just about 11 months now, and he has been one of the best things in the world. He is always there with me. He goes into stores with me. He lives with me full time. We do monthly classes with Four Paws so that he's staying on track with his obedience, and hopefully within the next few months he will get placed to advanced training where he will continue to explore the world of service dogs and hopefully be placed within this year with a child or veteran. So if you want to learn more, go to pawsforability.org and about us to learn more about the foundation, or if you go to the other services, you can get facility tours, you can apply to get a dog. If you are in that situation, you can come right over here to become a volunteer, either on site or I did the volunteer training program. And all their food and vet care is paid for, so really all you're doing is providing them with a safe, loving home and promising that to get them socialized and out in the world and see as many things as possible before they get called back to do their job. Thank you.